In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how MDaemon administrators can determine if a user has added any email addresses to their blocked senders list or their sender block list. And as you can see, I'm logged in to MDaemon Webmail as a user, and I have 2 addresses added to the blocked senders list. And as an administrator, if I'd like to know who those blocked senders are, I can go on the MDaemon server and open up the MDaemon directory. And I can navigate to that user's folder via the users directory here. There'll be a folder for each MDaemon domain. Simply open up the appropriate domain folder. Then open up the folder belonging to the user. And you'll see a blocked senders IMAP folder. Open up the blocked senders folder. And then you'll see this file, addrbook.mrk or addressbook.mrk. Open this file with Notepad. And each entry that the user has added to their block list will show up in this format. You can see you have the word contact, and we have the blocked email address right here, spammer@example.xyz, and we even have the date that this entry was added or modified as shown here. We have another block list entry here, in this case, badactor@example.spam. So this is where an MDaemon administrator can go to verify what addresses a user has added to his or her block list.